you have consistency. And for the past 7 matches, we've been consistent in our wins. And you know, Elboa triple. And now we are FA matches, advertisement, and announcement, and then a drum can see what FA Cup, and triple be magazine. With certain clubs and sign a drum line. On the league, idea to say the difference between the first team and the Kotokono 2 points, which is target to say you bet league now. We are fighting say against the deal and bet me as a winning. Now you have that top. Supporters they will encourage ourselves. Now you have more than say about stadium because football is about money. You know, supporters is attendance there. Supporters in Penny for we are not happy about the supporters, the attendance to the stadium. Yanjire ya say a bomb match behind a nipa 20,000 plus which my very matches. Now boy me sit as a because we can say Lord Okunti time was it gate free any the number 1 first sponsor for the club because you more ball we are over to men's car at the church here bills to be that one and the best supporters and say the attendance to the park and the member say the Bemana Queen now Bomas team music as I come as now Wahina Nebo Canina a Bema or Twasa Bocana or say and so a match piano a car all ball within the week in the victim at the camera now man in France I'm on so say a good business also this is a say Yamoya Humodina, Yamras posted.
But the fans expect a comedy league.
Oh, yeah. And this season, that is our number 1 target, say, for the Veggie League. Now, Yapa Africa, we have to supporters, your taste, your preference, a league, Champions League. And we had this season now, Kotoko you league title, Luna Yakobo. Champions League, and that is our ultimate supporters leadership. We are working towards winning this year's league. Africa. Now Abuama, so the Numa Pega or African continent.
When the time because
initially, I'm so made out inquiries. I don't say line so line no say a 18-yard boss. What you say 18 so what I want to say what I say line so you get penalty. But since a line so it is part of the 18-yard box and therefore it's a penalty.
When your video now a clear penalty. 18 a break now I go be penalty I can do.
A clear penalty. Oh, a clear penalty.
Chama K5 I say Coach Ogu I say you keep on senior team now and about Africa. What do you agree?
I can say they are very young. Senior players are 24. They say I come to 24. So honestly, I was saying my young ones also opportunity to be part of the senior one because they are also part of Asante Kotoko. They register themselves under 20 and they are eligible to play for the senior team. So I think so we need to encourage all of them. And the 3 players are used to they were bad. Look at Vitos on your bad. Look at Solomon Sa on your bad. Look at Emisa on your bad. And I think so we rather need to encourage all of them. That is his opinion and that is my opinion. But to me, I think we need to encourage these young ones to be part of us.
But about France, number 1 next weekend, Mobo Martin, I'll catch them.
Any issue that's the last game for the first round, I can say they should come in their numbers. Babaya Rade say, every point in the eye, I want to be and gradually, look at my 4 matches. Then Lusubi Wahada, you consider go across this season. And 4 matches I have 2 league games, 2 FA Cup matches. Ninginano, we are winning. We are picking the pieces and we should say, we'll give them their own on the day.
So, Chairman, need that so I have a conversation about our city. Jeremy Yakamina and so as the Abraham Via Ayakama.
The fun normal football days, lower club lower club no o Felix o se no enye hwe enti o wa hodin bi a o de ba enti enye problem they are good side omu nye team bi a omu ye too bad enti eye good to say yeah no omu ball sir.
Now, were you impressed with Koroko players' performance now?
Oh, say Koroko players need their own say. Many problem is omu ye mostly end time of matches. He says every Wednesday yema omu no. Yari time. Yeah, not tiredness. So the who's omu ball matches now number 2, number 3, number 5. They were super. But anymore no. Now I'm in the cup.
Away from the game, Mame found some transfer. Koroko team will be a transfer window, even though the Kuaba, Mobit Sakwan Kuaba, the 3 games were about 3 goals. Would you pass a Koroko Bessa here augmentation after say, Omuna those 2 players now?
Oh, yeah, baby. Say. Defensive midfielder and they be attacking midfielder about team now number 3.
My legend, Mami Bisa was also Abranti and needed Samuel Tinedu. On said start as a Unya game need more and from Masia Santana when they against accelerate, even though it is 2 sides. The performance net to say.
I mean, it was super because born on time mobile now but the way the passes, the control, the way we see super footballer here. Me Felix coaching pushing, coaching man no chance. Now more or the more no the more no na football no ultimi how you think do ball our ball no ball nyansa bebre. There was a coach Ebuano now pushing because on one or the buy pushing na Bibianco ye my
legend how an Akotoko is losing matches, 7 matches in the portfolio and the idea is to put say 7 games for losing.
Football, why would you say a team no perform but and and there may be a while in but they say overshare
some section of what I think because I say what about team in now you blame on Emma but it's in the first round one
coach Oba first, how by the league, and so I say, my body and lose with you. Remember, and they lose one. I miss a bit of the fabric. I don't know how to do it. And do now say, the coach. But oh, yeah, Obia so back comfort. Says here, go ye. Obia comfort. Is that what we have been Obia comfort. Obia Mekan Jam is a Safu Jam Fina. If you say, maybe I may yellow fear and the package. Maybe yellow fear now. Oh, yeah, I know the Azawi Obanyata for you wouldn't now I'm basically to my yeah. Where my number boy told me a child, and you go no dear baby. I could see also, yes,
now legend, youth players, they can crave you on youth players, the Solomon Kwakusa, Avoka, Anafe, Jordan, and Lisa, who want performance in the game.
And not your youth players in the band, many of the football party, who say, who can grass, and who say, ɔmo yɛ extraordinary bi amahu because the one ɔbɔ first one no ɔstart yɛ na good but akwadema na hard bɛ mienu na ne pressure no ɔba fam football also deɛ ntwa deɛ wusoro a wonti mmɔbɔ
ɛnna so obi bɛka sɛ against the Lesotho side ana wɔn ntumi amu na in a game a yɛbɛhia youth play bi a player bi apira na
ɔn sɛ wobɔ second division si a ɛyɛ sen sɛ wobɔ premier no
saa
bebree because premier player bi enu ɔba bɛtwa ɔba bɛgyina ɔbɛtwa ɔsɛ gbae ɔba a ɔde adwene neba but second division there.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe? Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?